Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Look at these coins. How does it look? So lovely. The one at the other at the back of these coins, I made it with broomstick coins. Guys, look at it now. Look at how bouncy this one is. Now watch the full tutorial on how I make this particular coins with broomstick. The first one I'm making it with spiral stick, while the other one will be making with broomstick. Sure, check the video and see the difference. Tell me the one you like. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel. Ask question in the comment section if you have any. Watch this video to the end and see the step I take in making that broomstick coils. Thank you for always watching my video. Watch to the end.